my name is Amy Lewis. I work with the Wild Foundation, and we're collaborating with ISSS in order to host a Monday evening panel presentation that's going to feature a conversation between the most influential leaders in the climate space who are leading political, economic, and also cultural and tribal efforts to combat the effects of climate change. The reason the Wild Foundation thinks that it's so important to work with ISSS on presenting this type of panel presentation to people like you is because we're at a crossroads right now. The only way forward for our species is a sustainable future. But how we get there and what that future looks like is really up in the air right now. And all of the people on this panel have different vision about what a sustainable future looks like. Some of them rely more heavily on economic and political solutions and are looking at ways that humanity can replace and re-engineer the fundamental ecological services that have supported us to this point in time. Others are trying to proactively protect our wild things and wild places because they believe we have a moral obligation to do so, and also because they believe that wilderness is the solution. I'm really excited about the creative friction that's going to be present on stage. You have passionate, incredibly intelligent people who are at the front lines of climate change, and you're going to witness their personal insights and the way they react to one another. And this evening, I think, more than other types of events that deal with climate change and the environment, really has the opportunity to be a transformative experience both for the audience and for the panelists, who are going to be confronted with perspectives that they don't see on an everyday basis. And they're also going to have the opportunity to field questions from the audience and to interact with us on a personal level and the curiosity and questions we have. If there was one reason why I think it is so crucial for people to attend this event, it's because I think people are going to leave empowered. That level of insight and discovery that is going to happen through the interactions that occur with these very passionate, very influential leaders, I don't think that it could do anything but leave an audience moved and leave them with more knowledge and more power to make the types of decisions that align with their most precious values and align with their most precious hopes for their children and grandchildren and what this planet will become. So it's my privilege to invite you to attend the Monday night panel presentation at Mackey, July 25th from 7 to 9:30, so that you can see the conversation that unfolds between Obama's senior climate advisor, a former managing director of JP Morgan, a tribal elder from the Ungaks tribe in the Bering Sea, and a number of other very influential, very insightful folks. And also have an opportunity to interact with them and to pose them your questions about what a sustainable future looks like. Please join us.